morning, K2A. It's me, Teacher Clair, and this video is brought to you by Camtop International School. So today is Monday. It's Yellow Day. So today is Monday, kids, and we are going to have your English class, English review lessons. So let's get started. Previously, we just learned how to read and identify these words. So we had your bed, leg, bell, red, egg, and well. So hopefully you still remember them because we've been studying and reviewing them for a very long time. So today we are going to review words with the sound of E. With the words ending in ig, in, id, ip, and it. Okay? So we're moving on, right? So we're now on this part of our review. So let's get started. Let's read all the words that is written on the board. So please, kids, repeat after me. Okay? Repeat after me. Okay? Wig, 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 wig. Okay? Pig, 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 pig. Big, big, big. So they are different. Pig, big, pig, big, pin, pin, fin, fin, bin, bin, lid, lid, lip, lip, hit, hit, kid, kid, hip, hip, sit, sit. Okay, oh, I like this. So let's do it again, kids, one more time. Oh, there's a lot of hair falling down. Okay, oh, let's start from here. Sit, 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 hip, 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 kid, 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 hit, 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 lip, 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 lid, 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 bin, 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 fin, 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 pin, 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 big, 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 pig, pig, ig, pig, wig, wig, wig. Okay, good. So this is just a wrap up, kids. What we normally do is I give you time to read the words on your own. So during these videos that I sent you, it's just a warm up. So I'll see you later, kids. Watch this video. It should be in the beginning of the video that I should say this. But yeah, thank you for listening, kids. Please prepare yourselves for activities and one-on-one reading activity. Okay? Alright, so I'll see you later, kids. Okay, kids, so I'm back. It was fun because you were able to identify the pictures that I sent you. And this time, I'll give you your homework. This video is for your homework and a wrap-up of what we just learned today. So for this video, we'll have only two videos, your presentation and your homework, because we use your time to practice more, okay? So again, thank you for participating in our class. I sent you pictures and you were able to identify them, you were able to read the words so that That's great. Now, we are going to do this over and over again, so don't get tired and don't get tired of seeing me. Okay, so kids, I'm so happy for today's lesson. I'll see you again tomorrow. And please don't forget to do your homework, okay? I'll be sending you instructions for your homework. So I have to say goodbye now, kids. I'll see you again tomorrow. And again, we will do the same thing. Tomorrow we'll have more time for you to practice. Okay? Alright, so take care. Goodbye.